In this video we will show how to define stress points in SeismoStruct. In the Analysis Output tab, we are able to output and view stress-strain peak values and curvatures. As we can see, there is a list of all structural elements. We may select individual elements manually, by clicking the corresponding box of each element, or we may right-click, and choose Select All Elements, or deselect all elements. In addition to viewing general stress-strain peaks, SeismoStruct also allows to define specific stress monitoring points within a cross-section. This provides precise control over where stresses and strains are evaluated. In the Output Stresses and Strains at Selected Locations tab, we click the Add button. A new window opens, and in the Stress Point Name field, we enter a name. Next, from the drop-down menu we choose a structural element, in order to define where the stress point belongs. After that, we choose the Integration section, which defines the position along the element. In the right panel, we click on a point within the cross-section diagram. This defines the exact location, where stress will be monitored. We may select either concrete or the steel bars of the element, in order to extract their stresses. Here we choose concrete. As soon as we click, the coordinates, D2 and D3, are automatically updated, based on the selected point. We click OK, and the stress point is added to our list. We will also choose to extract the stresses for one more point. This time, we will select a steel bar. We click the Add button, and we assign a name for the point. From the drop-down menu we select an element. On the right side, we simply click with the mouse on the exact location, where we want to monitor the stresses. We select a steel bar. And we click OK. Next, we click the Processor button. And we run the analysis. After it is completed, we select the Post-Processor button. We then go to the Stress and Strain Output tab. Here, we may select the Strains and Stresses in Selected Points tab, where we can see the stress and strain values exactly at the points that we defined.